let's simplify this nice expression. We have 3 over 2 into bracket raised to power 2 over 3. So to do that, we have solution. Then the next thing we need to do, we have 3 over 2 into bracket raised to power 2 over 3. Then to simplify this, firstly, we consider this identity A over B into bracket B over A can be written as A power B over B power B into bracket 1 over A power 1 over A. So we write this in this form. Okay. Now this then gives us 3 over 2 into brackets 2 raised to power 2 over 3 is written as 3 power 2 over 2 power 2 into brackets raised to power 1 over 3. Now we simplify this, we get equal to 3 raised to power 2 will be 9, 2 raised to power 2 equal to 4 into bracket raised to power 1 over 3. Then we consider this A over B into bracket nth root equal to nth root of A over B. Using this then becomes equal to cube root of 9 over 4. Now from here we can write this form as nth root of A over B can be written as nth root of A over nth root of B. So we can transform this as equal to cube root of 9 over cube root of 4. Then we can also multiply this using this identity. If we have nth root of A over nth root of B, we can multiply this out with nth root of B raised to power n minus 1 over nth root of B raised to power n minus 1. So we put this form of radical into this form. So that gives us, that will be equal to cube root of 9 over cube root of 4 multiplied by cube root of 4 raised to power 3 minus 1 over cube root of 4 raised to power 3 minus 1. Then we simplify this. We have cube root of 9 over cube root of 4 multiplied by cube root of 4 raised to power 2 over cube root of 4 raised to power 2. 3 minus 1, we have 2. And this can be written as, considering this, nth root of A multiplied by nth root of B will be equal to nth root of A multiplied by B. So considering this then becomes equal to cube root of 9 multiplied by 4 raised to power 2 over cube root of 4 multiplied by 4 raised to power 2. Then this can be written as cube root of 9 multiplied by 4 raised to power 2 over cube root of 4, then this can be written as 1 multiplied by 4 raised to power 2. And this will be given as equal to cube root of 9 multiplied by 4 raised to power 2 over cube root of 4 raised to power 1 plus 2. And this will be equal to cube root of 9 multiplied by 4 raised to power 2 over cube root of 4 raised to power 3. Now, considering the denominator, we can simplify it as nth root of A power n can be written as A. So we approach the denominator with this identity, and that will be equal to cube root of 9 multiplied by 4 raised to power 2 over 4. Then from here, we have that if we consider this identity, nth root of A multiplied by B raised to power m, we can write that as A into bracket nth root multiplied by B into bracket m over n. So we consider this to simplify the numerator, and the numerator becomes, the next step becomes 9 into bracket raised to power 1 over 3 multiplied by 4 raised to power 2 over 3. Okay, then over 4. This can be written as, using the law of exponents, since these have the same base 4, and that will become 9 raised to power 1 over 3 multiplied by 4 raised to power 2 over 3. Then with this 4 at the denominator, we have minus 1. So we simplify this, then we have 9 raised to power 1 over 3 multiply by 4 raised to power minus 1 over 3. It will simplify this exponent. So from here, this becomes equal to 9 raised to power 1 over 3 multiplied by 2 raised to power 2, then raised to power minus 1 over 3. If we simplify this 4, then we multiply that, we have equal to 9 raised to power 1 over 3 multiplied by 2 raised to power minus 2 over 3. Now from here, we can divide and multiply this step by 2. So we have multiply by 2, then divide by 2. We have not done anything special. Then this can be written as raised to power 1. Okay, then we now have the next step to become equal to 9 raised to power 1 over 3 multiplied by 2. These are the same, the base, then we consider the power, b minus 2 over 3, then plus 1, all over 2. So we simplify this. We now have that to become equal to 9 raised to power 1 over 3 multiplied by 2 raised to power 1 over 3. If we simplify this exponent, then from here, everything over 2. So this, we can combine this since they have the same exponent. So we now have equal to 9 multiplied by 2 into bracket raised to power 1 over 3 over 2. 9 times 2 will give us 18. 18 into bracket raised to power 1 over 3 over 2. And this can be written as cube root of 18 over 2, which implies that 3 over 2 into bracket raised to power 2 over 3 can be simplified as cube root of 18 over 2 will be the final simplification. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe to this channel, and let's grow it together. Look at your view here. This is the next video which you can watch to continue improving your skill on simplification of algebra. Bye, and we'll meet in the next one.